How you can get fast page 1 rankings. If you want to get more traffic, more sales and more rankings without doing any of the work yourself, then you're in the right place. Thousands of real members located all over the world, sharing your content on their social platforms. Without you doing any of the work, besides submitting the URL you want to get traffic for. The easiest platform for getting traffic and generating profit. Without doing any of the boring, grunt work yourself, SyndBuddy 2.0 is a system based on real people syndicating and socially interacting with each other's content, which is 100% natural, and the reason that Google eats it up. With SyndBuddy, you can submit any URL. It can be a video, a niche site, an Amazon page, a client site, a client Google local listing URL, an e-commerce store, anything. It's 100% done for you, so zero work is required on your part once you submit the URL you want traffic for. Our army will get to work for you ASAP. You can supply the content if you'd like that will go along with your campaigns into the sharing pool. This is 100% optional. You can let our system generate the content for your campaigns for you in a matter of a few mouse clicks, so you can create new campaigns in 60 seconds or less. Within minutes of getting access, our army will get you. Real social bookmarks. Real web 2.0 syndication. Real video embeds. Real Twitter tweets. Real Facebook likes and shares. Real video views. Step-by-step training. World-class customer support. Full reporting of your campaigns. Weekly email updates of your syndications. Limited time, no monthly fees. Agency license. Plus 6 bonuses. You'll have full access to your syndication report once it's been completed. And much more. Getting other people to share your content all over social sites is a massive advantage above all other forms of syndication. And you want to know the best part? We've simplified the entire process for you to get targeted traffic to any content you'd like into 3 simple steps. Getting free traffic from Google and YouTube is the best kind of traffic you can ever get, ever.